Hey guys, I hope that all of you doing great. Well, while we have been consistently talking about the risk management onto our channel to all our subscribers, not just in terms of coins, even in terms of shilling out your coins onto, let's say, lending platform, getting the interest, or even investing in the form of NFT. So just on the similar lines, the news came that celebrities like Justin Bieber, Paris Hilton, and in fact 19 more celebrities were called out for promoting the NFTs without following the FTC guidelines. That means they did not disclose the partnerships that they had. And the reason for covering this particular video is just to show that just because celebrities are endorsing any of the ICO projects, any of the crypto projects, or probably any of the NFTs, that should not be enough reason for the people to put their hard-earned money onto. Now, having said that, this is the group, consumer watchdog group known as TINA.org, Truth in Advertising is the full form, has called out 19 celebrities for allegedly promoting NFTs or the non-fungible tokens without disclosing their connection to the project. That means they were getting some sort of probably benefits from these projects for promoting them, for talking about them, and basically this influences the investors to actually put out their hard-earned money onto the project without realizing that these celebrities are just promoting it because they are getting some benefit out of it, right? And this may in the future cause a loss to the investor. So at least this paid advertisement should be disclosed clearly so that investors can make the same decision. Now, having said that, it has not been a legal action in terms of that. So basically, while no legal or real penalty has been attached, Tina.org noted that it sent letters to the celebrities involved on August 8, outlining the grievances and advising them of the potentially harmful effect of NFTs that can have on the public. As I've already told, the investors may get influenced because the celebrities are promoting it, thinking, okay, if celebrities are talking about it, they are investing into it, this must be something the best of the money making opportunity. And I'm going to give you personally like some of the examples where like a lot of celebrities NFT in literally people invested so much of the money and now it has lost 99% of the value. And what is the moral lesson that we all get from it? Now, again, the same organization previously sent the letters to Justin Bieber and Reese Witherspoon's legal team on June 10 for promoting the NFTs on their social media accounts without disclosing their connection to the projects. Now, Justin Bieber's legal team responded on July 1 that they denied that any wrongdoing has not been done by them and also said they will update the post accordingly. Now, FTC guidelines or FTC website outlines clearly that influencers must disclose any material connections to the brands that they are endorsing and make the disclosures clear, unambiguous, conspicuous, and within the endorsement. So far, there has not been a public case of celebrities facing legal penalties for shilling the NFTs or the crypto, but we believe in the future that will be the case when investors actually happen to file complaints onto that for the amount of money that they have lost. Now, in terms of the legal suits, yes, there has been for onto Elon Musk for endorsing the Dogecoin and Mark Cuban as well for promoting the Voyager crypto product. As we all know, Voyager Digital got bankrupt. Now, in 2017 also, the United States much-known Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, warned the investors about the celebrity-backed initial coin offerings in a post on their website. Investors should note that the celebrity endorsements may appear unbiased, but instead may be part of a paid promotion. So all in all, guys, as per my community around, we all need to be ensuring that the projects that we are investing in, this should not be based on just because any celebrity has endorsed it. No, it should be based on what is the real world solution that it is delivering, what is the mass adoption rate, how well it is going to live up to its future promises, how well is the team. All these are the core things that should be our criteria for the investments rather than watching, let's say, any of the celebrity, even Paris Hilton, Justin Bieber, as in this case, are promoting it. In fact, like to give you an example, there was this guy, Jack Dorsey, the Twitter CEO. Basically, he tweeted the first tweet setting up my Twitter, and he screenshot it and sold it as an NFT. And basically one of the multimillionaire guy bought it for I think $2-3 million, and he was intending to sell it big. But guess what happened? He was intending to sell it big, but eventually when he put it on auction, what is the maximum amount of auction money that he offered that he got? Only $180. Just imagine, several million dollars, and the maximum offer that he got, $180. That could be the case. The lesson that we get, like next time you're watching the NFTs projects and stuff, remember, like crypto coins, definitely like we should be watchful of, like, is it just based on the endorsement, or probably it is based on the real world solution or real backing of the core work that the project is doing. But having said that, the coins anyways that you can sell at any point because it is listed onto the market. While the NFTs, you need to be cautious. Even though we may have the good stories of CryptoPunks, we may have the good stories of Bored Ape Yacht Club, but NFTs, even let's say you bought it for millions of dollars, you have to have somebody willing to purchase it back from you in order to sell it. There is no marketplace where you can go and instantly sell just the way the crypto you can. So you need to be very, very cautious when investing big amount. Normally, you should rather be investing into the projects that probably the money that you can afford to lose, especially the NFTs. And then you should be comfortable even if it is not being sold. And then you should be patient enough to wait for that project to actually go big. Probably you may get lucky, or any kind of thing that you foresee in the future. So that should be the case, guys. And I hope like by now our community is aware of not just the external bling factor should be enough for our hard-earned money to be put into, but rather the real world solution, the core backing, the core mass adoption into the projects. These are the things that we should be looking for. So again, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. This channel will be everything about how do we grow your finances. That's what the goal of this channel is, to provide financial freedom to all our subscribers. Comment down below for what do you feel about this celebrity endorsement, about the NFTs and stuff. Smash the like button if you like the content and you believe that we deserve the more subscribers. Kindly share the video, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video.